Okay, y'all, my beef ribs is finished, my short ribs. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment on down below. Don't forget to hit the bell to be notified so you don't miss the next upload from us. Don't forget our trivia question, Compound. What movie that come from?
Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking My Way with your girl Ninfa. That's right, as you can tell by the title, we're doing short ribs. What is it called? Corn pudding. Some people call it other thing, something else. I'm not for sure, but it's corn pudding, short ribs, and I don't know if we're gonna do rice yet, so I'm not sure. We're gonna get started. So we got some short ribs here. We're just gonna wash them off basically. They don't look too bad. They're pretty good. That's Jason chair squeaking, y'all. I'm just gonna rinse them off, y'all. Okay, I got some hickory honey hickory rub, accent, some Worcestershire sauce, and I got some black pepper. And that's what I'm seasoning with. I may not even need no black pepper. Huh.
I don't know. You might not. And some stuff have black pepper in it.
Dressing smells so good.
I can smell from over here.
You're gonna put it in the oven just like this. Okay? We're gonna let this marinate though.
Moment of truth, y'all. This has been baking since 12:30.
Ooh, woo.
Y'all hear that?
Do y'all see that? Oh my God! Yes, God, it's ready. Why is it dark?
Cause we got the char stuff, but that's the Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire.
What's the sh? So I'm gonna mix Jiffy cornbread mix, cream of corn, sour cream, cream of chicken, all together, and some butter. I'm gonna mix all this stuff together and put it in the oven. Compound. What movie that come from? That's y'all trivia question. It's called what? Compound.
Go back again?
Huh? Say it again?
Mm-hmm.
It's called Compound. What movie that come from? That's y'all trivia question for this video. And I know y'all been waiting for it, Cooking My Way, for so long. So I just thought I'd bring y'all to another one. I mean, do a cooking my way for y'all, because I haven't done it in so long. So I thought y'all deserve a cooking my way video today. And plus, I was craving this stuff. I gotta drain my so that's the corn, whole kernel corn. Now if you want to use cream of corn, fine. Whatever brand you decide to use for your ingredients, it doesn't matter what brand, as long as you have sour cream, what is it called? Sour cream, cornbread mix. Whatever cornbread mix you decide to use, that's what you use. I'm sorry, but I don't have measurements. Like I told y'all before, I don't have no measurements. Where are you going, Kit Kat? I'm tripping. I should have got a smaller can, so I'm gonna just use probably half of this can. Okay? I'll say that's about half the can. A little bit of sugar. Now if I don't have enough cornbread mix, I'm just going to go ahead and pour another one in here. But I think that's enough. And you just want to get it mixed good. Mix all your ingredients together. It's so quiet in here. Y'all hear Kit Kat bell? And she in the living room. Okay, we're gonna get this mixed up, okay? For those of you who are new to our channel, welcome. I don't measure unless I know it comes from a recipe that I need to follow. Yeah, unless I'm following a recipe or something like that. That's when I usually measure.
So she just cutting blocks of cheese.
So I'm just cutting up some butter. Cause yeah, I know butter make it taste better.
Butter make it taste better.
Okay. I'm gonna cut this one again. It's so quiet you can hear stuff like, you hear it?
Mm-hmm. I even hear kids outside like,
what the cat doing? Yeah, so it's going in the oven. Okay? Now if you wanted to melt, let me make something clear. If you wanted to melt your butter, that's fine. If you wanted to melt the butter and put it in your mix. Thunder. If you wanted to melt the butter and put it in your mix, that's fine. Because I didn't do that this time. Usually I would have melted it, but I mean, it's not really wrong. So I'm gonna get ready to start on. And remember, I only use one can. It's just 3 of us, and you know, I just made enough for how many days? 2-3 days. You know, just depending. Okay. Now I'm gonna start on my cabbage. So I got some salted pork here. Don't ask me why I'm using this little old knife, y'all. It's what I had right on hand at the moment. So I'm gonna use it. You know, since the dirtying up more dishes. Especially if you hold this camera up. If you ain't the one who washing the dishes, please don't fill the sink up. Y'all hear me? Don't do that to y'all mamas. Don't be using dish after dish, cup after cup. Clean that cup out and reuse it. Clean that plate out, reuse it. Clean that bowl out, reuse it. Clean that spoon, that fork, reuse it. Don't be piling the sink up with all them dishes. Who gonna be washing dishes all day? And I know you don't want to do it.
Ooh.
Y'all, my cone pone ready. Cone pone. Cone
Ooh,
pone.
that'd be so good.
How do you know when it's ready? Pretty much when it turns brown or... Let me stick a fork.
Just like cornbread, if you look at
Pretty
it.
much, that's it. Yep, just like if you was cooking cornbread. I'm gonna go ahead and add a stick that I can poke it with. Oh, it's still wet, so I might put it back in the oven for about 10 more minutes.
In the oven she go.
Pretty much could turn brown. Full of dirt, y'all. What I did was I took all the big leaves off. I'm trying to remember how to cut this cabbage. Now my salted pork, I just let it boil for a little bit, y'all. So now I'm gonna give it a little fry on it. Yeah. Hold on. Oh, that was nice. Okay, I'll see you.
Oh. Sazon.
Sazon.
Oh, they don't know what type of sazon, babe.
Hold on. Black pepper. I use this one. Salad and vegetable seasoning. Okay, so I'm gonna use 2 because I only use 1 on there. That one, little bit of accent. I got an accent. And I found out what the secret was. A little bit of sugar.
Sugar.
use maybe by teaspoon, tablespoon, half a teaspoon. I don't know.
Go ahead.
Just sprinkle it and go. Bless it and dress it. See, the steam will cook your cabbage. I am gonna give it a little stir because I do got seasoning on here, so. Because I want to add my own touch to it. It is cooking my way. Some Kerrygold butter. If y'all have not tried that butter yet, oh boy, y'all is missing out on some good stuff. What's this hard piece like?
Y'all just done, y'all, so that's how it should look. Now, back over here.
And just let it cook till it gets tender. I'm covering it, turning it down. We'll give it about 10 minutes. And I'll be back. Alright, y'all, this is done. I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up and give y'all a nice look at this cabbage.
Cabbage.
Okay, y'all, my beef ribs is finished, my short ribs. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment on down below. Don't forget to hit the bell to be notified so you don't miss the next upload from us. Don't forget our trivia question, compound. What movie that come from? Yeah, we got some compound. Okay. If you're new to our channel and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for, guys? It's free. It don't cost you nothing to subscribe. I mean, hit that bell. Subscribe. Join the PictureUsRolling family. We'll see you in the next video. Oh, you can comment on the community tab or you can comment on _PictureUsRolling Instagram. Okay? See you in the next video.